start. All right, everybody. These are the last two boxes in our Topps Platinum 12-box case. So hopefully we're going to pull something pretty cool out of these two boxes here. We haven't hit anything incredible, but it hasn't been a bad break either. So far, I'd say it's been about an average break with some. It's got some bright spots. It hasn't been horrible. Let's see. It's always difficult finding the thick pack in these. The chat room doesn't want any more Bucks. They got some Florida hating going on. It's kind of sad. Feel bad for him. It's probably going to be another Gerald McCoy patch and stuff. Let's see. We've got Dez Bryant. And James Starks. Whoops. Oh well, might as well show it. Let's see what it is. Montario Hardesty. 9 of 500. So I don't know if Hardesty's a good hit or not. You guys will have to tell me. I know all the baseball, but I don't know all the football. And Montario Hardesty. Cleveland Browns. Running back. Base. I know when these YouTube videos go up, everybody's going to be like, what an idiot, he doesn't know when he's got a good card. I just tell him, hey man, I'm the baseball guy, not the football guy. I had to bow to pressure in order to even put football in the break. But I like it. It's fun to open. I mean, and I don't mean that I don't know everybody. I just mean I don't know a lot of the rookies or the prospects. So. The chat room says I don't even know who plays in Tampa Bay. I know who plays in Tampa Bay. The Bucks play in Tampa Bay. Clausen and Aaron Hernandez rookies. Sam Bradford, Joe Webb. I know some of the players. Dexter McCluster to 9.99. Look, man, it's not my fault that they've been on strike, and I have not been watching. Demarius Thomas to 9.99. Still looking for two autos. Right, Warren Sapp, yeah. And Derek Brooks. Sean Canfield. All right, one more auto. Mike Allstott. Told you I know who plays. Jim McKay's our coach. I put a lot of autos of him. There's 1,098 of them left. Yep, he sure is. And Ed Too Tall Jones. Our kicker is still Automatica Grammatica. Yeah, man. I'm not mad. Oh, we got another black. Ooh, James Starks. I know who he is. James Starks, black, 59 of 99. I'll tell you what, after I research all these hits in order to put them in order, I'll know. I'll know a lot more than I do now. Okay. And the last pack. All right, guys, let me get this up for you.